Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Instagram account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're using a computer, navigate to the Instagram website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. In the top right corner, find and tap the three horizontal lines or the settings icon. Scroll down to the end of the menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. Here, you will find various options related to your account security and privacy. If you wish to temporarily disable your account, select Temporarily Disable My Account. Instagram will prompt you to choose a reason for disabling your account. Select a reason from the drop-down menu. You will then be asked to re-enter your password. After entering your password, tap on Temporarily Disable Account. If you're looking to permanently delete your account instead, scroll down and select Help. In the Help menu, tap on Help Center. Use the search bar to find Delete Your Account. Follow the provided link to the deletion page. Select a reason for deleting your account from the options provided. Re-enter your password once more. Finally, tap on Permanently Delete My Account. Please remember that deleting your account is irreversible and all your data will be lost. Make sure to back up any important photos or information before proceeding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.